What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga Jeromantics all over the world. We receive a request to react for Jerome Ebardome para sa kanyang performance ng Portrait of My Love by Matt Monroe. Ano to? Jerome being Matt Monroe for today's video. This is so exciting, guys. Let's see how he will interpret Portrait of My Love. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this is from the year-end party. Ooh. Oh my God! Because Jerome's vocal is very versatile, so definitely he can sing this and he can give his own interpretation. And syempre, shout out natin si Christina Ignacio Facebook page for uploading this. Kasi we're gonna watch Jerome singing Portrait of My Love. Umpisahan natin ulit, guys. Lambing. Oh my God. He's doing it the Elvis Presley way, in fairness. Wow. Iba yung lambing. Diba yung lalim ng boses, the way that he's saying it, you can feel the emotion. Karaoke lang to, guys. It's not even a formal performance, but Jerome is giving it all. Pati yung facial expression. Oh my God, I love his vibrato. And yung lambing ng boses, the way, the emotion, how he's singing it, ang ganda. Parang nanliligaw. Isang tingin naman daw.
Dito naman! Sa kaliwa!
Ah, dito naman, Jerome. Dito naman, Jerome. Oh! Parang ano lang ha. Parang umikot lang yung manikin na ganyan ha, Jerome ha. Niloloko mo ka. Love that. Wow! In fairness din sa diction, sa enunciation, sobrang linaw. Hindi niya daw kanta.
Sa kindat daw!
Mali pala, mali. Nagkamali sila.
Tatlong kindat daw!
Tatlong pindat. Sarap pakinggan. That's a version. That's the Jerome way. I love that. I love that escalation of notes. And ramdam mo yung emotion. He's giving his own version, guys. Pinapakitaan tayo ni Jerome. Oh, balikan natin. Wow! Hooray! Oh, ang sweet. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome singing Portrait of My Love, the Jerome Ebardome version. Yes, he gave his own taste and twist ng pagkakakanta nito. Binago niya for bumagay sa kanyang vocal, 'di ba? The way of his style, his vocal style. Sobrang galing. Karaoke lang to, guys. It's not a formal performance, but Jerome gives it all to the Jeromantics who's watching. And nakita niyo naman, super enjoy ang mga ka-Jeromantics sa kanilang year-end party. Grabe. You can share your experience, guys, kung nandyan kayo. Kung sino man po yung mga nasa video at napanood nyo to, i-comment nyo na kayo po yung nandoon. Sino ba yung nagsabi, tumingin dito, tumingin doon? I-comment nyo dito sa reaction video na ito. And of course, if you have any other request for Jerome Ebardome performance, you can always comment down below, mga ka-Jeromantics. Malakas kayo sa akin eh. Opo. Alam ko malakas din ako sa inyo, kaya naman ilalike nyo ang ating reaction video for today. And of course, kung bago po kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.